welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 30, Story Writing. Let's learn children. Story writing is an art. कहानी लिखना एक कला है. A story can be imaginary or factual. An imaginary story is a product of the narrator's imagination. In such a story, the writer makes use of his fantasy. Now, there are some stories which have a moral. Features of a short story: plot should be clear. Main points should be arranged in the proper order. Okay? Different ways of writing a story is: form a given outline. In this type, the points or the outlines are given. कुछ आपको outlines दी जाती हैं. Details have to be filled in. Story based on a moral. The moral is given. You have to illustrate the moral with a story. Now, from incomplete hints. Sample 1 आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है बच्चों. Story is about the woodcutter and the goddess. Once there was a poor woodcutter. He could hardly make his both ends meet. One day, he was cutting wood on the bank of a river. His axe fell into the river. He was so poor that he could not buy a new axe. He began to cry. The river goddess heard him and came out. She asked why he was crying. He told her his problem. The goddess dived into the river and came out with a golden axe in her hand. She asked the woodcutter if it was his. He refused, saying that the axe was not his. The goddess dived back and came out with a silver axe. Again the woodcutter denied. Then third time goddess came with his axe, and now he was delighted. He said that the axe was his. The goddess was so pleased with honesty that she gave him all the 3 axes. The woodcutter thanked her. Wait. फिर से बोल रहे. The woodcutter thanked her. Now his days of poverty were over. So moral है बच्चों इस स्टोरी का, honesty is the best पॉलिसी. नेक्स्ट सैंपल पे चलते हैं. द हेयर एंड द लायन. सो आपको ये स्टोरी खुद से पढ़नी है चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो यू विल नो दैट हाउ टू राइट अ स्टोरी. हेयर आर सम टॉपिक्स जिन पे आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. द टॉर्टोइज एंड द हेयर. The tortoise crawls slowly, sees the asleep hare, continues to crawl, reaches the victory line. The hare wakes up and runs, finds the tortoise there. So फिर उसके बाद आपको यहाँ पर moral भी देना है स्टोरी का. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ hints दिए हैं, आपको इनसे एक स्टोरी बनानी है. Again children, you have second topic. A father pained to see his son in bad company, tries to reform him, buys some very fresh apples, buys an rotten apple, gave to his son to keep in a basket. Next day, asked the son to bring the apples. All the apples had become rotten. Boys learns his lesson. Okay, so please practice writing stories. This chapter ends here children. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.